low-calorie foods are not just about helping you manage your weight, they're packed with essential nutrients that contribute to your overall well-being. So, let's dive into the world of nourishing, low-calorie goodness. First up, the apple. This iconic fruit not only keeps the doctor away but also comes with a low-calorie tag. One medium-sized apple contains around 95 calories, along with a generous dose of fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants, promoting digestive health and supporting your immune system. Now, let's talk about the veggie powerhouse, broccoli. 1 cup of raw broccoli contains only about 31 calories. But don't let its low-calorie content fool you. It's a rich source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, contributing to a healthy immune system and aiding digestion. Moving on to the hydrating sensation, cucumber. A cup of sliced cucumber contains a mere 16 calories. Beyond its refreshing crunch, cucumbers are high in water content, helping you stay hydrated, and are a good source of vitamins K and C. The elegant asparagus is not only a culinary delight but also a low-calorie gem. 1 cup of cooked asparagus rings in at approximately 40 calories. It's a fantastic source of folate, vitamin K, and antioxidants, supporting a healthy heart and immune system. Now, let's travel to the tropics with papaya. A cup of papaya cubes contains around 60 calories. Loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and enzymes like papain, papaya supports digestion, skin health, and boosts your immune system. Time to turn our attention to the leafy green superstar, spinach. A cup of raw spinach contains just 7 calories.
What?
Yes, you heard it right. But don't be fooled by its low-calorie count. Spinach is a nutrient powerhouse, providing iron, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants. For a juicy and low-calorie treat, we have watermelon. A cup of diced watermelon comes in at around 46 calories. Beyond its delicious sweetness, watermelon is high in hydration, vitamins A and C, and contains antioxidants that support your overall health. Now, let's talk about the humble yet nutritious cabbage. 1 cup of shredded cabbage contains approximately 22 calories. It's not just low in calories but also a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, promoting a healthy digestive system. Shifting gears to a satisfying breakfast option, oatmeal. 1 cup of cooked oats contains about 150 calories. While slightly higher in calories compared to some on our list, oatmeal is a whole grain packed with fiber, providing a sustained energy boost and supporting heart health. And finally, the vibrant strawberry. 1 cup of whole strawberries contains approximately 50 calories. These delicious berries are not just low in calories but also rich in vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, contributing to skin health and immune support. There you have it, a closer look at the nutritional value and calorie content of 10 incredible low-calorie foods. Remember, embracing a diet rich in these nutrient-dense options isn't just about the numbers on the scale, it's about nourishing your body from the inside out. So, explore, enjoy, and savor the goodness of these low-calorie delights on your journey to a healthier you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow foodies, and don't forget to subscribe for more food-centric content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.